Facial tracking for VTubers is something that works really well or not at all. And I've had discussions with my community if something like makeup would actually help with tracking. So in today's video, I put on makeup and put that to the test. The lipstick we'll be using is Megalas Matte Teal to Bed Evil. The eyeshadow we'll be using is, well, this stuff, because I found out I am deathly scared of anything being remotely close to my eyes, so we used a lot of eyeshadow. And this is the result. I've realized I kind of look like Uncle Fester wearing this makeup. I'm not going to show the entire testing process, as I spend roughly 15 minutes with makeup per application, 15 minutes without makeup per application. So here's the short and sweet things that I found. There'll be 3 different trackers we'll be testing. The first one will be VC Face with and without makeup, as this application tends to be the first one that a lot of new VTubers use, especially with their low budget webcam. Without makeup, VC Face tracks perfectly fine. As long as you have a ring light facing towards you, it doesn't seem like the camera has any issues picking you up. With makeup, it seems to track a little bit better and a little bit smoother. I'm not too sure why that is, but it does seem makeup does make a little bit of a difference with your basic tracker. Now it's time to test out VTube Studio's mobile application on the iPhone. VTube Studio's mobile application seems to work perfectly fine without makeup and with the camera at a reasonable distance. Using VTube Studio's mobile application with makeup seems to track the eyes a lot better as they tend to stand out. Other than that, lips, cheeks, and facial expressions seem to track the same. Now it's time to test eye facial mocap. Eye facial mocap seems to track just fine without makeup. There isn't any issues with facial expressions or eye tracking. Once again, testing with makeup, it does seem like eyes tend to pop a lot more and track a lot better. As for lips, facial expressions, stuff like that, it all seems pretty much the same as without makeup. One quick thing I do want to mention. If you are someone that tends to have their webcam or iPhone super far away from you, I'm talking 2 to 2.5 feet away, makeup does seem to make a huge difference in tracking and actually tracks you better. Now, please remember, my experience with makeup is very limited, so I highly suggest that you test this out for yourself. Also, I couldn't test every single method or application for tracking, so give it a shot, see what happens. Again, I'm your VTuber Senpai. I stream here on YouTube every Friday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So come on by, say hi, and well, I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.